Is it visible now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I told you these 5 shortcut key in the last session. So today's session, yeah, some more shortcut keys I will cover in today's session. Okay. So this in the row number 7, this is the shortcut key how to removing the borders from the data table. Let me create one data for you. Yes, can you please unmute? Okay, so this is the production data, one data which I have created for the example. Removing the borders in the data. First, we have to learn about how to add borders. If you know about it. This one, if you click on all border, now we have created. Shortcut key is Alt HB A. Alt, then H, then B. B means border and A means all border. This is the shortcut key. Understood? How to add how to create borders in your table. Follow these 4 shortcut keys. First, select your data. How to select your data? Control Shift, right arrow, then down arrow. Control Shift, Control plus Shift, right arrow, then down arrow. Control Shift, right, down. Now we have selected Control Shift, right, down. Now press Alt, then H, then B, A. Guys, understood how to create borders? Hello? Your voice is not
Yes.
audible.
Yes, sir. We can hear.
So is it easier how to add borders in your table? Follow this shortcut key Alt H B A. And now the question is how to removing the borders from the data. So if you select your data, if you click on borders, one option is there, no. Now we have removed the border. Same thing we can do by Alt H B N. No border. All border. Alt H B N. N is the shortcut key for no border. Understood? How to add borders and how to remove borders in a table. These are some basic things I'm telling you. I have already shared 239 shortcut keys in in your group. Have you seen that? No
Which group?
worries. In the same group, I have shared 239 shortcut keys. Same thing. Some of them I'm telling you what is the use of, what is the purpose of shortcut keys, why we are using. So s- some of them I'm
No,
covering.
no, in this group, no attach. Yeah, group is E for target Excel, huh?
Okay, just hold on. I think I have shared in all the generic group. Just I'm sharing. Just give me a moment. I'm sharing in the target group of September. Uh, I have shared just now. Okay,
Yeah,
in the
yeah,
group.
yes. Thank
So
you.
please work on the same 5 to 10 shortcut keys on daily basis. Okay. Then this is one thing I have covered. Control Shift plus. Now Control Shift plus symbol means how to insert row. Like there are two shortcut key. If you want to select entire row, press Shift space. Now entire row is selected. If you want to select entire column is selected. Control space. Control plus space is used for entire column. Shift plus space for entire row. If you want to select row number 6, shift space. Now I would like to insert one more data between A2 to A3. So how to insert one row? Press shift space. Now entire row is selected. Now press control shift plus symbol. First step is shift space. Second step is press control shift plus option in your keyboard. Now we have inserted one row. Here you can type A23. Like for example, this is the new employee. Now I'm adding some targets for Monday is 5, 8, 10, 11 this time. Same thing you can do. How to add one more data between Wednesday to Thursday, between Thursday and this data. I would like to add one more data for Friday production. So press control space, control space. Now entire column is selected. Now same control shift plus. We have inserted one more column in the Excel. And and what is the basic way? Basic way is select insert option is there. Either you can choose insert sheet column. We have inserted one column, or you can, if you want to select one more row, uh, insert sheet row. Guys, understood how to insert data in your table? I will cover these shortcut keys. Then from tomorrow onwards, topic would be interested because shortcut keys is the very boring task in the Excel. But if you apply, if you do some practice from your end, then something would be interesting for you once you will start working on shortcut keys. So if I'm telling you about shortcut keys, so this is some boring topic for learning purpose. So from tomorrow onwards, we will start about formulas. These are more interesting formulas once we will enter. how to apply sum, what is the use of sum and count, these things. So don't worry guys, today one more, uh, in today's session we have to cover it. So are you able to understand what I'm telling you? Any question guys? Because I'm not getting any response from your side.
No, sir. Clear. Everything is clear.
Okay. So shall we start the next shortcut if you want? I will share the same sheet for you. Okay, this is for how to some examples which I have shared, but same shortcut key is available in those 239 shortcut keys. Same shortcut key is also available in the PDF which I have shared in the group. But I will be sharing the same tab. Okay, if you want. Now, now one data is added. Now someone is saying this data is wrong. Can you please delete from the data from this table? So till this time we have learned how to insert row, how to insert column, how to insert row and column. Now opposite thing, how to delete row and column. Just same step should be followed. Press shift space for entire row and now press control minus control, then control plus minus. Minus option is same like underscore keyword in your data. Select your data and control minus. Now we have deleted. A23 has been deleted now. Understood? Select entire row and press control minus. Control minus. If you are getting confused, ignore plus, control minus. Control minus. If you want to delete Thursday data, same thing. Select, press control space. Now E column will be deleted. Once I will press control minus, so date of Thursday has been deleted now. Understood? Say this is custom shortcut keys I'm telling you for deleting the columns or row data. Control minus. This is the shortcut key, and this is basic shortcut key that is also available. But this we have multiple commands, and this is critical as compared to control minus. This is just easier. Either you can use Alt H D. If you press R, now A3 is deleted. Shortcut key is, if you notice, Alt HDR for deleting row, Alt HDC. C means columns, D means delete, H means home. Alt H delete column, Alt H delete row. Where is that available? Like select your, put your cursor anywhere. Now press Alt H, then D, then R. R is used for delete sheet rows. Once you will press R, this data will be deleted. Now A23 has been deleted. Same thing if you put your cursor anywhere. And if you press Alt H D instead of R, if I press C, what will happen? This data will be deleted from your table. Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. It means that Thursday column or Wednesday column has been deleted. Understood? Guys, understood what I'm telling you?
Yes, sir.
Anything else? Any question?
No, sir.
Just be patient. I am covering the shortcut keys, then I will start uh, formulas. Now, same thing, how to hide rows. This is your basic shortcut keys. This is why there is a big difference between basic shortcut key. Basic shortcut keys are available, will help you how to type multiple things that are available in your Excel. But custom shortcut keys are not available. You have to remember it. Once you will start working on real-time project, these are more useful, and this will uh, save your time as compared to the shortcut key, because we have multiple commands for following the shortcut key of basics. But if you follow the shortcut key of custom, this is more useful. So now, if how to hiding rows and how to hiding column, like I would like to hide A23, this one. If I press Alt H, Alt H O U R, Alt H, first step Alt, second H, third is O. O means format. Alt H O U means hide, which you want to hide rows or column. I would like to hide row number 7, which I have highlighted entire row with the blue color. So how to hide this row? Just press Alt, then press H O U, Alt H O U. The once you will press the moment, if you press R, A23, it means 7 row number is hidden. Now 6 and 8 are visible. These are visible, but 7 row is not visible. Understood? What shortcut key I am following here? Alt Alt H O U. R means for hiding rows. C means for hiding columns. If I press R, it means we have hidden row. But if you want to hide Tuesday data, then what you will do? Put your cursor anywhere. Suppose I put my cursor in the row number 10, but row number 10 is the part of your C column. Now I would like to hide this column, entire column. What I will do? I will follow the same shortcut key, Alt H O U, then C. Alt H O U C U C. Now Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday and name. These 4 columns are visible. Now instead of using the shortcut key, these are more helpful. Key is used for row hide, control 9, and key is used for column hide if you use control 0. If same method should be follow here, put your cursor here. Now instead of using Alt H O U R, if you press control 9, it means row is hidden. And if you want to hide Thursday data, put your cursor anywhere and press control 0. Thursday data is hidden. Guys, understood? What is the difference between basic shortcut keys and what is the benefit of custom shortcut key? Just follow the two commands instead of five or four commands. You have to follow just two commands, control 9 and control 0. These are most useful. Understood? Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
If you want to repeat again, I can repeat. Any doubt? Shall we proceed further? Next one. This one, if you want, just four or five shortcut keys are there. Then I will start formulas. Four or five shortcut keys. Okay. Then I will start formulas. Then something would be interesting for you in the formulas, because formulas is the big thing in Excel. Without formula, you can't crack any interview, because in interview they will be asking 7 to 8 questions for data analytics profile. If you are going for an interview, they will be asking what is the difference between these two formulas, and they will be sharing you some interview assignment like technical test. So, shall I start this one? If you understood these two shortcut keys, these four, how to hide row and how to hide column. Guys, I'm not getting
Yes.
any response.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So the next one, same thing, basic shortcut keys. I'm telling you about two ways how to do the same thing with two approach. This is your normal approach and this is your advanced approach. So you have to know about it, how many approach should be there and which one is the good uh, in your real time. If you will be asking which one is better, so this one is better in your real time. If you're doing some task, so in the task you will be using always custom shortcut keys, this thing, but you have to know about same thing in basic shortcut keys. Okay, this is basic, this is advanced. So now again, shift plus 11 and alt touch is, these two shortcut keys are working same for same thing, for adding sheets, adding tabs in Excel. If you notice, this is plus sign. The moment if you click on plus sign, sheet 22 has been added. It means tab 22. Now, if you want to add sheet 23, again you will click on plus sign, then sheet 22. I think sheet 22 is already inserted. Yes. So now, same thing we can do if you press Alt plus H plus I plus S. If you press Alt, then H, then I insert sheet. The moment if you press S, what will happen? Sheet number 28 is inserted. Again, if you follow the same thing, Alt, then H, then I, then S, insert sheet. Again, sheet 29, sheet number 29 is inserted. Alt H I S, sheet 30 is inserted. Alt H I S. This is basic shortcut key that is already available in the Excel. But what will happen if you press Shift plus F11? This is more dynamic and more advanced formula. If I press Shift F11, sheet 32 is inserted. I have inserted for 5 or 6 or 10 sheets within 2 seconds. Shift F11, we have inserted n number of sheets in my current tab, 47, 40, 51. Guys, understood what I'm telling you? How to add multiple sheets by shortcut key. One shortcut key is Alt H IS, one shortcut key is Alt H IS, and another one is Shift F11. This is more useful. If you press Shift F11, this will add. Guys, understood how to adding multiple sheets in Excel?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, how to delete the same thing? I would like to delete same thing. One more shortcut key is there. Alt H D plus S. This is also basic shortcut key. Basic short. This is Alt for deleting. Alt H D S, and for deleting tabs in Excel. I just ignored this one. I will let you know once you will understood. Once you will understand this shortcut key, then I will tell you about what is the use of F4. So Alt S D S, same thing, is the part of basic shortcut key. Instead of choosing this one, this is the custom shortcut key. Now I would like to delete sheet number 47. Alt, then H, then D for delete. D for delete. And here is an option, Alt H D S, delete sheet. Now sheet number 47 is deleted. Again, if you press Alt H D S, sheet 46 is also deleted. But this will take some time. Now if I choose Alt plus E plus L, Alt E, I'm pasting in everywhere so you can see what I'm doing. Once you will start working on shortcut keys, you can do the same thing with, like, your keyword will be working. There will be some improvement. So just follow this three shortcut key, Alt E L. Now if you noticed, what you got one message, Microsoft Excel will permanently delete this sheet. Do you want to continue? Why I'm getting this option? If you, if I add one more sheet like 57, 58, but in sheet number 45, I did some work in sheet number 45. That's the reason I'm getting some warning message. Warning message. Yes, no need of sheet number 45. So I will choose, I will click on delete. Now sheet number 45 is deleted. Now just focus. Again, I'm telling you, this is most important topic. Now, just 2 minutes ago, I inserted 58 and 57 sheet number. Now, if I choose Alt, if I press Alt E L, I'm not getting any message. I did not get any message. Why? Because I did not work on these two sheets. Same, without any warning message, sheet number 57 will be deleted because I did not write anything in this cell. If I follow Alt E L, sheet 7 is deleted. But what will happen if I follow the same shortcut key in sheet number 44? Alt E L. I am getting this option because I have written something in this tab. Understood what I'm telling you? If you have added one Excel tab, but you did not start working on the same tab, now you would like to delete that one. So without giving any warning, the same tab will be deleted. Excel will not be giving you any warning message like this one. But if you type one letter, two letter in the same tab, after some step, you will get this option. Microsoft Excel will permanently delete this sheet. Do you want to continue? Yes. So here I have typed same thing. If I have added sheet number 59, if I press Alt E L, sheet 59 is deleted. But same shortcut key, if I follow again in sheet number 43, Alt E L, I am getting this message because I have written something in the row number A21. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. If you understood. Now, if you noticed, we have n number of sheet and still I'm deleting. So one more shortcut key is there. One more big approach is there. That is called F4. F4 is depend always on last command, whatever I have followed. If I if I type A, B, C different in the different cell, I'm typing something. Now, if I press delete. Now, this time I'm not going to press delete button. Instead of deleting command, I will choose F4. I will press F4 button. Same thing is happening by F4. By pressing F4, again F4, again F4, again F4. So F4 is always depend on the last command. Now, if I add something after 8 number, and if I press F4, row is also inserted. Now I'm not using any shortcut key for insert row. I'm pressing just F4. So we have inserted n number of rows. Like here, if I choose F4, if I if I choose any data where I can show you. If I choose F4 here, now I have inserted one row number. Again, if now one shortcut key I have followed here, Control Shift Plus. Now rows are inserted. Now this time I'm not going to press any shortcut key for row inserting. I will choose F4. Select entire data. Now F4 is inserting. F4. This is the benefit of F4. Only single button which is depend on your last command. If I want to delete, now what will happen this time? These two rows are deleted every time. If I select, now one more data is deleted. Same thing in shortcut keys, you can do the same thing. F4. Now here we have n number of multiple sheets. How to delete multiple sheets with minimum time? Just one time you have to follow the shortcut key of deleting tab. Like same tab, same shortcut key, I will use Alt E L. Now one time I have followed. Next time I will press F4. Sheet 53 is deleted. 52 is deleted. Now I'm getting some error. Even you can click on control click. Now press F4. These 5 or 6 tab will be deleted with minimum time. Control click and press F4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheet will be deleted. Understood? Guys,
Yeah.
understood? Any question? This is simple thing I'm telling you. So any doubt in this? How to insert? This is F4 is always depend on last command what you have applied. Now one more important topic is there, how to restore your deleted sheet. By mistake, one data which I have created. For example, I saved this data right now. Just a minute. I saved it. Give me a moment. Sometime Excel will hang. If you follow multiple commands, sometimes this will hang. Now data is saved. Okay. Now what I am doing, the name of this tab is sheet number 60 is the most important data. I have sheet number 60. Just remember it. Just I'm tapping. This is important tab. Some record are there. Important notes. For example, how to change the name. Just right click and click here. Or shortcut key is Alt H O R. Alt Alt H O R for renaming your tabs. Alt H O R rename sheet. Now what I'm doing, for example, this is most important notes which I have written because my I'm giving one example. My manager has given some task for me, so I have noted 4 checkpoints for the task like 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are checkpoints like for some steps which I have to follow for completing this task. Okay, now let's wait. Now by mistake I deleted this one by mistake. Important notes. Okay. Now how to restore the last sheet? In that case, just close your workbook and there is no option how to restore your sheet. But one approach is there, that is click on don't waste. In this scenario, once you will click on save, the data will be deleted permanently from your Excel workbook, the important tab. If I choose don't save, now if I choose, now again I'm opening this file. Now if you noticed, same data is restored. This one was deleted. Guys, have you understood?
Yes.
So this is, there is only single approach how to restore your last tab, important tab. If you by mistake, if you deleted in that case. Okay. So these things I have completed. Now Alt F4, Control F4 are the same for closing your window tab. these types of screen will be showing. Want to save your changes? If I press alt F4, same option I'm getting. If I choose control F4, same. So control F4 and alt F4, you will get, you want to save this file or not, you will get this window, this message. If you press control F4, and paste spatial is also most important thing. Like if I select this one data, it means in the B4, this is my formula and this is simple data. If I, as I told you in the last session, if I type my name, this will impact on B4 as well. Same thing will be coming through this data. If I delete blank, if I delete ABC, if I write ABC, same thing is reflecting because this is linked with A2. The address of B4 is A2. This is the address from column A, row is, and row is 2 number row. So this is address which I have linked it with the row number 2. So if I copy and pasting, so if you noticed what I'm doing, I'm copying and pasting my formula, but someone is saying, can you please copy and pasting ABC? The moment if you copy and pasting in the other column, same thing should be written in the other place. But if you press Control C and then Control V, you will not be getting ABC, the same value. So in that case, you have to choose Control, and there are two shortcut key, Control C, Alt E S V, Enter. I'm pasting this data so you can understand what I'm doing. Control C is the first step. Second is Alt E S V plus Enter for formula space special, or value paste. Control C, Control Alt V, Control Control plus Alt V. So if you want to copy and pasting the same data in H column, so first what I will follow, Control C. Now second step is put your cursor here and follow Alt, then E, then S. You will get paste special window. One option is their value, and V is the shortcut key of values. So here I will choose view, then enter. Now same data is value pasted, because same value is pasted. That is why this is called value paste. This is one approach. Second approach is Control C and Control Alt V. Just follow these three. Control Alt V. You will get the same option. We have two approach for value paste. And third approach is put your cursor here and just copy and put your cursor here and right click paste special. This one, click on 1, 2, 3. Understood how to value paste data? Guys, understood how to
Yes.
value paste your data? This is some important parts we have covered in today's session. And what is the use of shift button? Shift button is used for deactivate primary key and activate secondary key. It means this is not like those primary key foreign key. Don't be confused. Primary key means like if you notice on your keyboard, at the rate is there. How to write at the rate? With shift. But if you want to write at the rate without support of shift, what will happen? 2 would be visible on your screen. If you type 2, you will get 2. But if you want to get at the rate instead of 2, because at the rate is also the same keyboard, if you notice 2 and at the rate. So how to show your at the rate on your screen? With the help of shift. Then if you press shift F2, equals to @ shift F3 equals to hash, shift 4 equals to dollar, shift 5 percentage, shift 6 this symbol, shift 7 and shift 1 exclamation marks. Understood, guys? Guys, understood? Shift button is used for deactivate primary key and activate secondary. Secondary key is @ hash dollar. @ is your is available in your second number of keyword. In the third number of keyword, hash. If you just let me, if you see on your keyboard, in first number, this sign is available. In second number, @. In third number, hash. In fourth number, dollar. And guys, have you noticed this one in the same keyboard?
Yes.
But if you want to display the upper one, how can you display? By using shift and 1 equals to exclamation, shift 1. If you press shift 2, this will show you @. Then shift #3, shift 4, shift with 4 button equals to dollar, shift with 5 equals to shift with 4 equals to dollar, shift with 5 equals to percentage. Understood? So this this shortcut key I told you, shift button is to it. It means we have deactivated. This is your primary key and this is your secondary key. It means we have deactivated. If you choose shift. Understood?
Yeah.
So in today's session, we have covered all the shortcut key. From tomorrow onwards, I will start about formulas. These are more interesting thing. Now we have entered in the second stage of Excel. We have third stage, three stage. We have stages of Excel are there. First is shortcut key. Shortcut key is covered. Now entered in formulas. This will take 15 to 20 days for completing from beginning to advanced level. Then third is dashboard. In the dashboard, pivot table, slicer, graphs, all the things which is related to your dashboards are included. Pivot table, slicer, graph, these things. In formulas, we have so many formulas from sum till to last formulas filters. 46 formulas we have. Okay, and these are the most interesting part. So guys, are you ready for formulas in tomorrow session?
Yes.
From tomorrow onwards, you will see what is the use and how many approaches are there for using formulas and what is the disadvantage and advantages of formulas. You will learn each and everything in proper details. So from sum to proper, we have 15 basic formulas. Then after that, you will enter in the advanced level of formulas from dollar symbol to the last one, including filters. We have 31 formulas, like sorry, we have 30 formulas. We look up, HLOOKUP, index match, sum ifs, count ifs, nested ifs. These are more interesting things you will see in the upcoming sessions day by day. Here, like many assignments I have given, like what is the difference between count ifs and count ifs, in which formula we will use multiple ranges. I am giving which column is mandatory for criteria range. Can we use logical operator in count if or count ifs? What is the difference between sum ifs? So these are most important thing. How to get your data, like sales quantity. These types of questions I will be sharing. This is your base data. and this is your output result. Count of negative values and count of positive values through sum is. These types of questions I will be sharing with you. Okay. Then here I have applied if conditions with VLOOKUPs. These are most important things of Excel because these things will be asking in the interview. Okay. And then large ifs. Large ifs doesn't exist in the Excel, but I will let you know how to combine, how to create your own formula. Some formulas are not existing in the Excel, like large if doesn't exist. Sum if, count ifs existing, count ifs, count ifs existing, but average ifs and average is also existing. Max ifs is also existing, but large if doesn't exist. One formula is there, only large. Large with the combination of if equals to large if. This is most useful. How to get second highest value, third highest value, fourth highest value. Same thing you have seen in the SQL. How to, same thing you can do in Excel as well. So guys, thanks for time for today's session. And this is also most important index formulas. This is most important interviewed question. Okay. So see you in tomorrow session. Okay. Thank you guys. Tomorrow we will connect on time by 8 p.m.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks. Thank you all. See you tomorrow.